You searched how to buy shares of Quadient SA. Quadient makes mail processing and customer communication systems and is listed on Euronext under the ticker QDT.PA. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy Quadient, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker QDT.PA to find the listing. Select the result that matches Quadient SA to open the stock details page. On the stock page, review basic company information and the price chart to check recent movement. Confirm the name and QDT.PA ticker to ensure this is the correct Quadient share. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading resumes, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order fills. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform and learn more.